If there was a black girl at this table and I was attempting to dismiss her point because of her skin color, you don't think that would be racist?
There's no dismissing a point.
You were saying that I don't have, because I'm white, I don't have...
You can't relate. You don't know what you're talking about.
So this is most trending effect running on social media these days. You can easily apply in your video. How you can do that? Let's start the video. First, go on text. Now you can see text. Click on it and write whatever you want to write. Now I just need to go in effect. Just go in effect. Now just go in effect and search transform. Now you can see here is transform. Drag it on your layer. When you drag this on your text layer, go in effect control. Click on effect control. Now you can see transform is here. Click on transform. You just need to give some position, scaling this text. So just give value 70 and select on this anchor point, scale. Now you can see anchor point over here. Now go ahead 3 step. Now go 3 step ahead 1, 2, 3 and give 120 value. Enter again 3 step 1, 2, 3. Give 100 1, 2 and this is. Now you can check your effect over here. See how cool is this. You don't need to apply this effect again and again. Just simply copy this effect. You can copy and paste it on your other text layer. Simple. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.